Hi, Carol and Mike Church here. We are a husband and wife real estate team here in South Carolina. Today we're talking about Woodruff, South Carolina. It is in Spartanburg County, and they have a little saying, it's called "Where Time is Well Spent." And it is cute. I love their little downtown area. It's adorable. So we're just going to talk about a few little highlights about Woodruff, South Carolina. The median home price as of December 2023 was around $299,000, according to from Realtor.com. Population as of 2020 was over 4,333. The biggest thing going on now is BMW Plant Woodruff.
Yeah.
That's a huge deal.
Yes, it is.
And with that being said, there's a lot of people, businesses, new homes being built, grocery stores.
Yeah.
I mean, it's really going to blossom the next 5 to 10 years, okay? So the location is in Spartanburg County, South Carolina, the southwestern part of South Carolina, south of Spartanburg and east of Greenville. The schools are excellent. It's Spartanburg District 4. Niche gives them an overall B+.
Which is really good.
It is. So we thank you so much for joining us today. Enjoy the rest of the video on Varner Station in Woodruff, South Carolina. Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Hi, welcome to Varner Station, one of DR Horton's newest communities in Woodruff, South Carolina. We are beginning with a Darwin model home. It's 1,749 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. Now they do have a couple of these plans listed. One of the plans is listed at $274,500, but some of the prices may vary due to the lot size and things like that. So just keep that in mind. They do offer 7 different plans out in this subdivision, so there's nice variety. Varner Station is located between downtown Greenville and Spartanburg, South Carolina, which allows for quick access to either city, but you're still given that small town feel out here in Varner Station. This is a charming and quaint community. They'll offer 6 or 7 different floor plans ranging from 1,360 square feet to 2,368 square feet. Several interior design packages and smart home technology features. You'll be sure to find the quality that you've been looking for, with prices starting at only $253,990. There should be a price point for everyone. There is a red tag sales event going on January 6th through the 21st, 2024. Huge special deals on move-in ready homes. For a limited time, there's special interest rates on new DR Horton homes. A few highlights about the homes in Varner Station. You do get a sodded yard with landscaping packages, a beautiful chef's kitchen with 30-inch birch cabinets with crown molding, satin nickel hardware. These homes do have smart technology, LED lighting, interior and some exterior features, 15-SEER carrier AC unit, gas furnace, gas tankless water heater, termite protection, prevention, OX vapor barrier, and insulated windows, just to name a few things. Have I mentioned the location? So the charming town of Woodruff, South Carolina is one of the fastest growing areas in the upstate region. New home sales are thriving and home ownership opportunities await you. Nestled in a picturesque upstate region, Woodruff offers the tranquility of small town life while still within a short drive of major cities like Greenville and Spartanburg. There are several parks and recreation areas around Woodruff. Residents can enjoy activities like hiking, picnicking, fishing. Woodruff is renowned for its top-rated schools and strong sense of community. The close-knit community of Woodruff welcomes newcomers with open arms. This is a USDA-approved area. You'll see tree-lined lots, sidewalks, and only 19.9 miles to GSP International Airport. Wow, that is wonderful if you travel a lot. There are golf clubs close by. One of them is Carolina Springs Golf Club, is only 13.7 miles away. Downtown Fountain Inn is only 13.3 miles away. Hospitals are close by. Prisma Health in Simpsonville is only 12 miles away. Bon Secours St. Francis Eastside is 18 miles away. And Pelham Medical Center is only 13 miles away. The biggest thing happening around Woodruff is the new BMW Plant Woodruff, a $7 million battery assembly plant located right on Highway 101. It should be operational by 2026, and it's 1 million square feet in size. That is a big deal. So with that being said, a lot of people are moving to the area. They are going to be offering fantastic jobs there. So listen out for more news about that. So as we are driving around, you'll notice they did try to save as many trees as they could in the background. I like that. There's a decent amount of space in between the homes. I like that. It's just neat and tidy. They do have sidewalks, and there's, some trees that they're going to save. This is an area that was really muddy, so I actually got out and walked a little bit. We had just gotten our vehicle washed, but yeah, there's another street coming with more homes coming soon, and we'll be also going by the mailbox center. So these are really cute homes. I like it out here. Yeah, there's the mailbox center. Just keeps everything nice and neat. So if you can see yourself and your family living in Varner Station in Woodruff, South Carolina, feel free to reach out to me and Mike. We'll be glad to help you out.